Partnership accounts. Practical problem and solution. Problem 1. Calculation of gain with and without interest on capital before adjustment of profits if the capitals are different. Illustration. A, B and C are partners with capitals of rupees 40,000, rupees 15,000 and rupees 5,000 respectively and share profits and losses equally. The net profit for the year 2021 before charging interest on capital amounted to rupees 27,000. Show the amount of each partner's gain from the firm if no interest is calculated on capital and B where 5% interest on capital is brought into account before adjustment of profits. Solution. A. If no interest is calculated on capital, the profits prior to calculation of interest on capital will be divided as under A. Partner A, 1/3 of 27,000 rupees 9,000. Partner B, 1/3 of rupees 27,000 9,000 rupees. Partner C, 1/3 of rupees 27,000 9,000 rupees. As the profits and losses are shared equally among the partners. B. Where 5% interest on capital is brought into account before adjustment of profits. The net profit for the year 2021 before charging interest on capital is equal to 27,000. Thus, 5% interest will be paid to the partners as under A. On capital of 40,000 at 5% 2,000 rupees. Partner B. On capital of rupees 15,000 at 5% 750 rupees. C. On capital of rupees 5,000 at 5% 250 rupees. Total interest 3,000 rupees. 27,000 minus 3,000 balance profits 24,000. And this profit is divided by 3 partners equally A, B and C 8,000 rupees each. Therefore, after calculation of interest on capital, the profits earned by each partner will be as follows. Interest, profits, total. Partner A, 2,000 interest, profits 8,000, total 10,000. Partner B, 750 interest, 8,000 profits, 8,750 total. C, 250 interest, 8,000 profits, 8,250. Total interest 3,000, total profit 24,000, total profit 27,000 divided by partner A 10,000, partner B 8,750, partner C 8,250. From the above, it is clear that where the profits are shared equally, it is desirable to calculate a reasonable rate of interest on capital of each partner before ascertainment of distributable profits, in order that the partners with larger capitals may be duly compensated. In the next lecture, we will solve a practical problem of partners gain with or without interest on capital before adjustment of profit if the capitals are